The transmission trend for Omicron in Alberta continues to be consistent with what other jurisdictions in Canada and around the world are experiencing, with doubling times of just 2 to 3 days.
Omicron is moving at lightning speed and the province of Alberta struggling to keep up, which means changes are on the way on how we track the virus and who gets access to a PCR test.
If you test positive and have symptoms, consider that as confirmation that you have COVID-19. Please isolate and notify your close contacts. If you test negative and have symptoms, you should stay in isolation and repeat another rapid test 24 to 48 hours later. If you are negative a second time, you need to stay in isolation until symptoms resolve, and no further measures are required once you're feeling better.
Dr. Dina Hinshaw says, however, those who live or work in a continuing care center, a health care center, or have a specific clinical condition may get access to PCR tests as they are in high priority settings.
I ask that if anyone has a PCR test booked right now to follow up on a positive rapid test, please cancel it to free up space for others unless you meet the high-risk criteria.
The province reporting 1,625 new cases from 11,800 tests for a positivity rate of 13.6%. No new deaths were reported. 318 people are in hospital, 64 of them in ICU. Over 196,000 Albertans have booked a booster shot. Dr. Hinshaw says boosters do a great job helping fight off Omicron, but the greatest thing we can do is reduce the number of people we see over the holidays.
What I would encourage all of us to do is to take every opportunity to minimize the chances that Omicron has to spread. We know that numbers are climbing very fast, and I think Albertans should expect over the next week or two, especially during the holiday season, that it's highly likely that there will be at least one infectious person present in gatherings where you're gathering with someone outside your household, and should plan and prepare accordingly.
Dr. Hinshaw will give updates twice next week and twice the following week. In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.